Chapter 5. Our plot of land and first synchronicities. Chapter 5.1. We buy our 1-hectare plot, our family domain. I told you about our first land and our first house bought in 2011. 7 years later, we were ready for our next challenge. I had breathlessly read the books about Anastasia's dream and was ready to put the knowledge into practice. I created a group on the internet, a group in which I told the 1,000 people gathered there about my new discoveries that I had already started to put into practice. We were looking for a bigger land because we understood that the 900 square meters, about 0.2 acres, were not enough for the garden, the house, the pond, the forest, and everything that Anastasia said should be on a family domain. In the area where I lived, I did not manage to find the land I wanted, and now, looking back, I realized that it was the right way to be.